Have you ever been that person, the one who keeps explaining themselves like, I meant it this way. No, seriously, listen, I have a point here. Okay, maybe I don't. Yeah, that's me. All the time. And somehow people start rolling their eyes. Not even gently, like full-on dramatic soap opera eye rolls. Today, we're going to figure out why people stop respecting you. And yes, I've been guilty of almost all of them. So don't worry. You're in good company. Respect isn't about being rich, tall, or having a killer Spotify playlist. It's about tiny, tiny signals that people notice but never say out loud. And the sad part? Most of us unknowingly do the exact things that make people, well, quietly judge us. Okay, picture this. You're at work trying to explain why you chose, pineapple on a pizza. And instead of stopping at one sentence, you go on for 10, 20, 47 sentences. By the end, people are staring at the ceiling, at the coffee machine, anywhere but you. Science calls this insecurity. I call it, I can't stop talking about pineapple.
Moral of the story, stop explaining every tiny decision. Sometimes just nod, smile, and walk away. Magic. Here's another classic. You answer every text immediately, every ping, even the one from that guy you met once at a conference in 2016. People think, wow, they're so committed. And then subconsciously they think, well, I can take advantage a little. Truth, being constantly available, lowers perceived value. Scarcity equals respect. So yeah, sometimes ignore your phone, even if your cat is judging you for it. Ever been in a conversation and just said nothing? I'm talking full-on dramatic silence. Awkward? Yes. Respect building? Surprisingly yes. You are calm, listening. They slowly realize they have no clue how to push you around. Boundaries plus quiet confidence equals respect. Also, less talking, fewer chances to embarrass yourself. Trust me on this. Tone is wild. You could say the same words 100 ways. I think we should, weak. We'll do this, strong. I guess maybe, please stop. Your tone, your posture, the way you stand, these tiny things scream confidence. Or not.
Fun fact, I once whispered my opinion in a meeting like I was confessing a crime. People ignored me. Lesson learned, don't whisper crime confessions in life, apparently. Apologizing is great, until it isn't. I'm sorry I exist. Sorry my shirt is blue. Sorry I'm breathing. You get the idea. Too many apologies equals weakness. People respect selective, confident apologies, not constant groveling. Moral? Apologize when needed, not every time your brain tells you it's a good idea. So, what did we learn? Stop over-explaining, even if pineapple is involved. Don't be too available. Silence is golden. Tone matters. Apologize strategically. Do these 5 things, and suddenly people look at you differently. Maybe even admire you a little. Or maybe they'll just notice your silence and think you're plotting world domination. Either way, respect achieved.
If you want more psychology hacks that make you laugh, think, and grow, hit subscribe and join the journey. Trust me, I've got a lot more embarrassing life lessons to turn into your psychology hacks. Check out the next video to see another small habit that can change your life. And hey, share this with a friend who needs to see it. Their future self will thank you too.